Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. This is Gerald Gabina Benson representing Imus City, Cavite. Hola. Asia's Latin City, Zamboanga, Juliet Custodio, yours truly. Thank you.
Buhay! Liza Agustin, Bacoor City, Cavite.
Magnolia Major City of Marikina, the shoe capital of the Philippines. Thank you. Hello everyone, Marivi, Manalo Gloria, Barangay Parang, Badak, Bataan! Mary Jean Miranda from Pasig City! Jocelyn Ayanda, Rafaela Lacan, Buhay na Tubig, Imus City, Cavite! Ruby Rosa Perez, Barangay Santa Niña 2, City of Dasmariñas.